Hi crafty friends, it's Audra Monk, the Crafty Yogi, and welcome to the Crafty Corner. Today I'm going to give you a quick tip video on how to use your Stamparatus to stamp these peppers, because they have, it's two-step stamping. You stamp the pepper and then you stamp the stem. And it's pretty tricky to get it right. Unfortunately, I threw away my other slightly failed attempts, but here's one. Let's see if we look up close. It's pretty hard to get it lined up in there, and it will take you I'm not going to show you the lineup technique on the Stamparatus. I'm just going to show you how to stamp it. And I'll do that as a separate video because I just want to have this so I can put it on the blog post so you guys can see it. So we're going to stamp in the class next week. We're going to make this really cute sampler. And it features the Garden Goodness stamp set and these adorable little peppers here. I love to buy these they call them like stoplight peppers at the grocery store, where you get 3 in there. I love the red and the yellow. I like the orange too when they have that. So we're going to talk about how to do that part. So you need a Stamparatus. Ta-da! And if you don't have one, look at the blog post and contact me, and you definitely want to buy one because it comes in super handy for things like this. Or perhaps making Christmas cards where you're making lots of something. So first up, for this project, and this is kind of a neat technique, I think, we want to stamp, I'm going to show you one more time. See how there's 2 peppers? And then this one is on scrap and we cut that one out. But they're different colors and they're at different angles. So I'm going to show you how I did that. If you're coming to class next week, I'm going to remind you to look at this video so you kind of know before we get started. Okay, so you're going to take your piece of paper. This is the piece of paper that's going on the project. And I'm going to look at my pepper and see where I want to line it up. And it is kind of up to you how much pepper you want on the paper, what angle you want it. So think you're going to put 1 on each side, and then we'll cut out 1 for the middle. And so I think that makes me kind of happy. Right there. Okay, so I'm not going to move my paper. I'm going to take my magnets. And remember, don't put your magnets close together. So 1 firmly on this side because the stamping's not there. And 1 is just going to go on the corner. And I'm going to check. Oh, you can't go on that corner. So you always want to double check. Can it go on this corner? All right, and then let's check if my pepper. Yes, so it will clear. Okay, so, ooh. So hopefully I didn't mess anything up. Okay, so 1 pepper is green and 1 pepper is red. You could do it either way. You know what, just for fun, I'm going to do that one in red. All right, so this is a Poppy Parade. We're going to open this up. It doesn't matter if you stamp the stem or the pepper first. And I'm going to stamp my pepper. I'm going to ink it up. Okay, and then I'm going to bring it in and give it a little rub. Okay, and I'm going to open careful. Okay, good. I got it on the first try, so I don't need to stamp that again. Now my stem is going to be stamped in Mossy Meadow. Okay, so I'm going to ink that up. And that little ink on the top won't matter. If that bugs you, you can wipe it off first or use a ink spot. And then I'm going to go like there. And look at that. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. Okay, so now we're going to make the green pepper. But what do I need to do? I need to clean my stamp. So take your chamois, your simple chamois. I don't know, it's like $9 in the catalog. You need one of these because it's really nice because it's foamy. Does it sound? It's like foam. It's a little bit thicker. So I'm going to clean my pepper. Okay. I don't need to clean the stem because I'm stamping it the same color. Oops, my green is under here. And you know what? I should close this red because I will drop something in it. That's my little dog barking. Okay, so I'm going to ink my pepper. And then, you know what? I almost forgot to move my paper. So I will talk to you about that. Okay, so then I need to move this because I don't want to stamp a green pepper right on top of my red pepper. So I'm going to think again that there's going to be 1 in the middle. And I am going to play with it until I get it where I want it. Do I want it? You know, I want that one a little bit more down, and you'll see a little more stem. Okay, so I look at that, and then I'll know where to put my magnets. So here I'm going to put my magnet down there. Let's check where my stem is going. Okay, so I'm going to put my magnet here. Okay, so let's stamp a green pepper. Ooh, actually I can't put my magnet there. There we go. Let's stamp a green pepper. Okay, and then we lift it up. Oh my gosh, isn't it adorable? They look so realistic. And then I need some Mossy Meadow for my stem. Okay, and you just want to tap that ink on there. A couple taps. Give a little love there. And there we go. So I have 2 peppers. Ta-da! And now we need one on scrap. And that one is going to be in yellow. So I'm going to do, okay, close an ink pad. Clean with your chamois. And this is just water on here. And I just rinse it really well. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the... I got a little extra ink on there, but that happens sometimes. So I'm going to wipe off the stamp. So you wouldn't want to rush. Now, I probably wouldn't make a billion of these, but it's a good way to, if you're going to do multiple colors and multiple stamping and the 2-step stamping. Okay, so I just need a yellow pepper. It doesn't matter where on the paper it goes. I do like to do the paper a little bigger than it seems necessary because that gives you plenty of space to put your magnets. All right, let's make a yellow pepper. Ta-da! And we need a green stem. Ta-da! Look at that. I could stamp peppers for days. So there's our yellow pepper. And here are our red and green peppers. And then I will cut out the yellow pepper, put it on with dimensionals, whatever angle I want, and I will be on my way to making a super cute sampler. So that's how you make your Stamparatus. Make this easy for you. All right, if you have questions, comments, requests, let me know. Hopefully I explained it clearly. And there will also be another short video in a... am I going to put it? You know what? I'm going to put it in this same post too. Another short video about how to line them up, how to figure that out. So thanks for stopping by. Stay crafty, and I'll see you next time.